Hi there. I got a great question about how to use straps to hold your shoulders open. And usually a single strap isn't enough, so I've got two here. When you're doing the strap, see those areas higher? You want to pass it under and through. And that locks it in like that. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take your extra long strap and I'm going to wrap it over your shoulders like this. Probably see it better if I start on the green side. Wrap it over your shoulders like this. Cross it around your back to here, okay? And then when you pull, it opens your chest, okay? So you can then, again, go over the high side and back through. Sometimes these metal pieces stick in there a little bit. Just wiggle it to the side, and then you can cinch it down to pull you open. This gives nice support here, a little support for your neck, and that's how you create a shoulder harness for opening your chest and shoulders. Thanks for watching. Ask questions. Send a request and I'll make you a video.